I want to ask this question. Oh. Have you not been in a situation where you discovered that some cameramen in the event that you went to, they used church handband to wrap their lens, to wrap the lens? Have you not been in that situation? They will not be doing it like this. They will not be making you feel like the handband is doing something. Please, let me ask. Is there a special thing that handband is doing to the lens? Me, I don't know. If you know any special thing that the handband is doing to the lens, please tell me. I want to know because I'm interested. Me too, I want to put handband in my lens. So please tell me the work of that handband so me too, I can start putting handband in my lens. Thank you and God bless you.